wondered how digital maps are actually built? Behind every city boundary, river, or satellite image, there's a combination of two data types, vector and raster. In this video, we'll see what they are, how they work together, and how you can add them in QGIS like a pro. Understanding these two data types is essential for every GIS project. Whether you're mapping disaster zones, tracking wildlife, or visualizing climate data, vectors and rasters are your foundation. Once you know how to load and style them, you can turn raw data into powerful maps that tell real stories. Let's start with vector data. Let's start loading some data into QGIS. To add vector data like JFiles, GeoJSON, or CSVs, we can go to Layer, Add Layer, and then Add Vector Layer. I can browse through my files here and choose a shapefile. And I'm going to add it. So here is a JFile of a provincial concrete. And when you load a JFile, it will display it on the map canvas over here. And this is the layer in the Layers panel. Next, we're going to add a raster file, for example, a GeoGIF. So again, we go to Layer, then click Add Layer, and finally, we click Add Vector Layer. So here is an example of a raster layer for NDVI of Pakistan. QGIS will automatically project it in the correct location on the map, and you can edit its brightness, contrast, and transparency from the Layer Shining panel on the right. Now, if you want to add online-based maps, like Google Satellite, OpenStreetMap, or Bencharia, QGIS has a missing plugin called QuickMapServices. So I go to Plugins, Manage Installed Plugins, and I've already added QuickMapServices here. So once I've enabled QuickMapServices, I can click over here and click on OSM Standard, and then it adds a base map over here for the whole region, for the whole extent. So you can search for other services too. This will add a high-quality base map underneath our layers, perfect for context or visualization. So let's quickly. Vector data is points, lines, and polygons. Raster data is pixel-based images. You can add shapefiles, geodesics, CSVs, and vectors, and you can add QTIFF or JPEG as rasters. You can also use QuickMapServices to load online-based maps like Google or OSM, and that is how you add vector and raster data in QGIS. If you have any questions or tutorial requests, please comment down below and subscribe to the channel.